to hit the big B in 2009. So our company would like to reach that goal in 2009 and so on. And then exciting. It should be exciting, not boring. And then rewarding. Of course, if you hit the 1 billion premium, there is a reward for each and every one of us, and that's, of course, in terms of financial, in terms of bonuses, and then increase in salary. So rewarding. So goals require action. It requires also dedication and effort. Goals are not quick fixes or an easy way out. So it involves action. Each and every one of us were tasked